What up, guys? It's your boy King Jaffe Joe 413 back with another one.
I see you haters I'm getting away.
What's going on, guys? How you guys doing? Chilling? You already know me, chilling like always. Alright, guys, we back again. You already see, same shirt on, you know what I'm saying? BKD exhaust, you know what I'm saying? So, you already know, it's another BKD exhaust product, you know what I'm saying? I know y'all seen the panels, y'all seen the hood, you know what I'm saying? Both fire. What else we got next? Some more fire for that ass! Light! Y'all like, what kind of light is that? You know what I'm saying? What y'all seen? I know y'all like, hold up, that kind of looks familiar. Yeah, the 2022's got this. This is a 2022 exclusive product, you know what I'm saying? The 2022 rallies come with this. I seen it on the 2022s. I'm like, oh my God, I need to figure out how to do that. You know what I'm saying? I went on Amazon looking for lights, measuring, looking for lights, like, oh, how am I gonna do this? How am I gonna do this? Bring this product, DIY product to these guys, you know what I'm saying? To my subscribers, to my family, you know what I'm saying? My man Brannon King was like, done. Figured it out already, got it for you, you know what I'm saying? So what we got here is we got the light that's gonna go right underneath the hood, that's gonna go right here in the front, you know what I'm saying? Like, as y'all seen, I had before I put the wrap on, I had the accessory light on here. Brings you a lot of light. I put the wrap on, I had to take that light off. I lost some light, and I got a little sad. Like, how am I gonna see? You know what I'm saying? I got a tinted visor, how am I gonna see? My man Brannon King, I got something for you. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna show you how to do an install for this. Quick and easy, just like everything else. Y'all seen us do the hood? Easy. Put it on. Y'all seen us do the panels? Easy. Couple clips. Light right here, the same difficult level. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna say it's one exhaust. You know what I'm saying? On the exhaust level from 1 to 5, it's a 1. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna call it because it's BKD. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna start off by removing your panel. As I showed y'all before, you stick your fingers in the sides, pull the your hood. You're gonna pull it. Stick your fingers in the side, hit the clips, pull the hood off. Boom. Wham, bam, thank you, man. All right, so the light comes with the light, it comes with a bracket, and it comes with a wire. This is plug and play, guys, plug and play. So you're just gonna have to drill this into here. So what you gotta do first is you're gonna comes with all the screws you need. So it comes with 4 silver screws and nuts. So the silver screws and the nuts go to the light. That's what you're gonna use to mount the light onto the bracket. So you got the bracket, it doesn't go this way, it goes this way. So you're gonna have the light go on the front of here, the bracket sticking off the back. So we're gonna screw that in real quick. Screws through the front, and we're gonna throw the nuts on the back. First, get the tool for this. I got a 9/30 socket that I'm going to use to tighten these nuts, and then we got an Allen key. The Allen key is a 3mm Allen key I'm using. We're just going to tighten these up. Actually, before we tighten this up, we're going to get the wire out that we got stuck there in the wrong spot. There we go. Tighten these up. Make sure when you tighten these up, guys, you don't want to over tighten and crack your plastic. So get them nice and snug, but don't over tighten it. The nuts on here are locking nuts, so they have that like little blue stuff inside of them. So once you get them tight, they shouldn't loosen back up on you. So that's a positive. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to be riding down the street and your light pop out. All right, guys, so after you get that snugged up, now we got the bracket on there. You're gonna figure out, you wanna center this up into the middle of this here. So you got this little strip right here. This is where we're gonna screw it into. Right into this little plastic strip here. So just gonna line this up. You wanna have it centered as much as possible. So if you look at it, got a little space there, a little space there. That'll be good for me. Got my drill here. So I'm just gonna let me get my drill ready. All right, get it lined up. And I'm gonna start on the side, the first corner screw, and get it all the way to the back there. But I don't know why they use the magnetic one. Get it even. Use my drill. Remember that you're going into plastic, so you don't want to over tighten it and strip the screws. I got my drill set to the lowest setting. So I put this side first. I make sure I push this all the way to the back. So now this side, I can just move it to the back a little bit and get that perfectly there. That's gonna have the line. Like you were just saying, when you're doing this, you wanna make sure that this bracket has enough space from these battery terminals, because these two terminals connect and hit this metal bracket, you're gonna have problems. So you don't want that to happen. So I got this rubber thing that's going against here. It gets a little space between this metal, is negative. So you don't want to make sure you don't hit that. It's not going to be good. All right, so now what you got to do is just repeat that process all the way down and get the rest of them done. So you got enough screws to get them all here. So I think there's enough screws for every single hole. So we're just going to do the two. We're going to throw the third one in, and we're going to show you guys how to plug it in, and then I'll all right, so now that we got this in here, after we get all our screws put in, now we're just gonna run our wire up. So our wire, simple plug and play. It's gonna plug into your accessory plug. As you know, as you've seen, I did the video installing these panels here. So you know you gotta pull off the pins and remove the panels. Boom, wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. We're gonna take our wire, I'm gonna plug it down here into the light. Fucking shit is broke. And we're gonna run it up to our accessory plug, which is right here, and that's what we're gonna plug it into. So we're gonna find which way we wanna run it, which we might have to freaking take the trunk out to get it up there. All right, there we go. So I was able to run it up there nicely, easy. So I'm just gonna stick this down here. Take that together though, because there's a broken clip on it, but we'll edit that out. I'm gonna run it up here. Now we got it up here. So your accessory plug. So if you have a Ryker, your accessory plug, it's gonna be plugged into here. Which, if you notice, there's nothing really in there. So that's not really plugged in enough. We're gonna take this wire here, and we're just gonna stick this wire into here, like so. And we'll just stick this back into that little spot. So, basically guys, simple as that, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna put the rest of our screws in a minute, but once you get the wire ran up, plugged in, simple as that, plug and play. Woo! That's bright right there, I just want to see you, motherfucker. That's bright right there, look at that. That's a bright light. Woo! Throw the hood on there. That sits nicely, that sits nicely. Y'all see that, guys? BKD Exhaust brought you another one. Look at that. Woo! Oh, man, hey, like I might need one of those. But man, Smitty, we always, yeah. We got Smitty here. You know what I'm saying? My man Smitty413, he over here like, Dave, I sold my Ryker, now I want one of those lights, but I don't got a Ryker to put it on. But, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I'm loving it. I'm loving that light, yo. Tell me y'all like it. Let me know in the comments if y'all like that light. If y'all think y'all want one, y'all know where to get it. bkdexhaust.com. Get yourself one, because that's definitely, you know what I'm saying? You're never going to have enough light. You know what I'm saying? Enough light. You got to see where you're going down the road. So, all right, guys. So, as you can see, quick install DIY light. You know what I'm saying? Quick install DIY light. You know what I'm saying? From BKD Exhaust. Yo, you know, everyone knows the regular factory lights aren't bright enough. Even when you put LEDs, you need more light. You know what I'm saying? So this light right here making me happy. Man, you see the smile? Making me happy. I like these lights. So make sure BKD Exhaust get you a light. KingJoffreyJoe413.com. Get yourself some merch. You know what I'm saying? Down at the bottom, y'all see the little thanks button. Drop your boy $2. You know what I'm saying? If you think we brought yourself from one king to another king to a bunch of kings and queens. DIY. You know what I'm saying? All right, guys. To the next one. Peace.